Stationary points are points on the curve with gradients denoted by dy dx equal to 0. To locate them, we have two methods, graphical methods and algebraic method. For graphical method, we need to recall Step 3 in math in the chapter of coordinate geometry about the 4 types of linear slope. One of the type is a horizontal line, where its gradient is 0, denoted by m is equal to 0. So let me summarize this part. First, we have stationary point is defined by the points with the dy dx is equal to 0. Second, we have the gradient of tangent. If it's equal to 0, can be represented by a horizontal line. Third, we have from a previous chapter, we understand that dy dx equal to the gradient of tangent. So, gather from point 1 to point 3, we conclude that dy dx is equal to gradient of tangent is equal to 0 at the stationary point, which can be represented by a horizontal line. So it means that stationary point can be formed by putting a horizontal line on the curve. So what does that mean? Now, let me demonstrate to you. I'm going to use this curve on the right to show you. So first, let's get our ruler ready and put it on the top of the curve. So bear in mind, we are looking for the point with the tangent line is shown as a horizontal line. So we will slowly move our ruler from the top down, and you can tell the first few points we have touched on the curve isn't shown as a horizontal line on the curve. So never mind, we continue to move. Yeah. Now, did you see that? If you draw the line, you realize that this is the tangent line and it's a horizontal line as well. So this is how we get our stationary point. And I'm going to label it as point 1 with the dy dx equal to 0. Now let's back to the process and continue moving downward, and I get my second stationary point, which I will do the same by label it as point 2. Back to the process and move the ruler downward slowly, and you can see I get my third stationary point. So point 3 here. Get back my ruler, continue move downward, and finally I reach my last stationary point. Okay, now I'm done with finding all my stationary points. And you can tell that there are a total of 4 stationary points in this graph. Take note that these 4 stationary points are also referred to the 4 different shapes of stationary points, for which I will elaborate further in my next video.